The new bulk action feature makes tracking multiple bills easier than ever. First, you can open up the new Show Filters toggle. That allows us to search by general profiles, general items such as keyword, bill number relating to clause, information related to your tracking by department or client, by bill manager or tag. Pull up bills based on when the hearing is scheduled, or those bills that have had reviews. Right now, let's try searching by keyword. I want the keyword environment. Tab out, apply those filters. You'll see 182 bills match that keyword. I'm now going to close the filter, and I'm going to use the new bulk action tool. I can add as many bills as I want to do the bulk action effort. Come back up, I hit the bulk action option, it opens up a new window for me. I can quickly assign as many new managers as I want. I can assign it to individual divisions. I can establish a new position or a new priority, and I can send this bill out to reviewers. Add any bill recipients that want to get an email for the bill or any notes or any tags. Hit the Track Selected button. Quickly and easily, it will track all my legislation.